since I don't have any knife, I don't have any knife for this, I'll use this one, nail cutter here, to tear it like this. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. All right, so this is the camera. The camera comes first, as you can see. Can you see it? It looks very sleek. Very sleek like that. Oh, I like it. Let me put it aside. Okay. Then this box here, throw it away. And let me see. Is there anything in this? I doubt. I'll check later. And we have the manuals, the paperwork. Yeah. This. What is this? Okay. And we have Type-C cable. This is very solid. Yeah. Okay. Extremely solid. And we have the screw. This is what we use to mount it. And what else we have here? Okay. This, I think it's also a screw here. Yeah. This is what we fix on the camera. You put this on the camera here. Can you see it like this? You get it, so that we will use it to mount on the wall. Okay, so let's see. There's nothing again, as you can see. So these are all the stuff that we have in it, like this one, this. That is it. Okay, so I have to charge it up before I'll set it up. So let me just plug it right now. So when I am done, you get it, we will see the next thing to do. All right, so I'm about to charge it. Before that, let me peel off this rubber. How do I even do it? Okay. And I have this adapter here, which I'll use. I don't want to use my phone's adapter. Let me use, okay, like this. Where do I plug it now? And do this stuff. Okay. Put it like that. Then so here it is. Then you plug it in. Alright, so as you can see, it's charging. And I honestly don't know how long it will take for it to be full. I don't know. Okay, it's charging now. Oh, is it charging? Let me take it out and put it inside again. Maybe. Okay, so let me put it down and wait for it to charge. Before that, I'll go and check on their website to see how I'll get to know if it's charged or something like that. So let me leave it there for a while. Alright, so our device is fully charged now. So let me unplug it and then we set it up. Okay, it's fully charged now. You see, there's a button here.